A money bowl or a prosperity bowl is a collection of lucky objects which, put together, will help you bring more money into your life. For the prosperity bowl to attract prosperity, in 2023, place it in the northeast part of your home or office, the area representing wealth in the year of the rabbit 2023. If the bowl is filled with precious stones, it increases physical energy and vital force in a gentle way, it brings joy to life and helps to get out of depression, it brings comfort, dispels anger, removes laziness, and increases self-esteem. The prosperity bowl brings appeasement and calm. It is ideal during shamanism sessions or deep meditation, it cleanses stagnant energies, purifies the aura, and amplifies positive energies. It acts on the digestive system, improves metabolism, and strengthens the immune system. On a sentimental level, this lucky bowl attracts the right type of person to you and it helps to make the right decisions. Find out how to create the perfect prosperity bowl for 2023. Here are some tips on how to build your own. Choose the right bowl. You need to choose a bowl or cup of glass that is easy to find at a home decor store. Ideally, it should be between 8 to 10 inches in diameter. Select the elements. The typical wealth bowls are filled with faux diamonds, gold bars painted in gold, like those that appear in the Million Show. Small stones painted in gold, to simulate gold nuggets. Semi-precious stones such as amethyst, rose quartz, citrus, or lapis lazuli. Chinese coins, gold or silver ones with a square hole in the middle. Add a wealth tree. In many feng shui stores, you will find the tree of wealth. Usually, they are made with Chinese coins, semi-precious stones, great eyes, flowers. Place your wealth tree in the center of the bowl and arrange the prosperity items described above around its base. Add a golden Buddha. The golden Buddha is a blessing that Eastern wisdom can bring to your feng shui bowl for prosperity. It will protect your bowl and help the energy of prosperity grow in the environment. Place it near the tree of wealth. Add your zodiac sign. By bringing your Chinese zodiac sign into your feng shui for prosperity bowl, you are aligning the chi energy of your home with the favor of personal astrology. This facilitates the arrival of financial luck. Add a small item that symbolizes your sign, and if you wish, you can also put an item that symbolizes your profession, which will help customize your prosperity bowl. Place the feng shui for prosperity bowl on the northeast side of your living room. The northeast corner of the living room is the most suitable place to position it in 2023. This is the corner of metal and gems of feng shui. To see where the northeast side is, just watch the sunrise and sunset. The sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. You just need to point your finger in the direction the sun is rising, then north will be in front of you, south behind you, and west on your left. Your bowl should be placed between the north and west points, between your face and your left side. This is the northeast. Is there a place where you should not keep the bowl of prosperity? Don't keep it in the bathroom. Bathrooms are a waste of energy. Similarly, do not store it near a sink or in the cupboard next to the sink in your kitchen, as drains are also energy leaks. It is important that your feng shui prosperity bowl is always well maintained and clean. When cleaning, move the objects, don't put them back in exactly the same way. It's good to swap places to shake up energies, as well as add or modify the elements present.